Hey guys, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, and comment. Happy Tuesday, happy 2026. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Without wasting your time, let's get to start today. Honestly speaking, it is hard to be Thandeka, guys. You know, people were complaining to say she's not posting anything. So today she decided to post a few pictures and mini video like on TikTok, and people are not happy. Are saying a good say. That's not enough, guys. If you go ifund me Thandeka, guys, it seems like it now is stuck on 332,640 rand, guys. People are no longer donating, guys, because Thandeka, she's always disappearing, guys. People want to see her every day. They want her to be active. They want to see her posting. You know, some people are saying, at least to do something, show us. For those who don't know, Thandeka, she's currently in Johannesburg, and people are asking themselves, when are you going to Durban? When it is your homecoming, guys? We all know that Thandeka unethimiyake. People are saying it is Thandeka is so lazy, guys. It seems like they are not doing anything, guys. Thandeka went live, guys, and explained the reason why she will never do photo shoot, guys. When it comes to her content, she wants to give the best. We have seen Udidi, she's already done a photo shoot. We have seen Uliema, guys, busy. Uliema, she's even recording her new music, guys. When it comes to Thandeka, she's quiet, you know, she's just relaxed, and people are saying it's not a good thing. If you want to be a brand ambassador for some company, you need to be active, because you're not going to be famous forever. So it's very important to build your brand. We've seen Abu B, they do have YouTube channel. Abu Koke, you know, they are currently busy. Abu Nelisa, they're doing interview up and down. So you need to be out there and start working, guys. The people are saying, what you have rested, it is enough. Now it's time for you to give us the content. Some people are saying, Thandeka, it might happen that the reason why Thandeka she has no content is because she was depending on Mele and Lapanabu Big Brother House season 6. There was nothing Thandeka she was offering beside following Umeli. No wonder why Umeli is doing so well outside. So there's a lot of people that are coming out to say a lot of things and go Thandeka. But one thing about Thandeka, guys, she's trending every day. It doesn't make sense. Even right now, she's trending number 2 and number 3. You know, I'm just like, okay, I don't understand Thandeka, she's out there not doing anything, but why she's always trending? Italians, they say they do understand the Thandeka, guys. She can post anytime she wants. They don't care as long as she keep update them. They don't have any problem. So anyway, guys, tell me what do you think about this. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Tuesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.